Hey guys, this is Jesse.Davenport coming from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2019 1172 Lance. If you take a look here on the outside, first thing you know is front cap. You hit this with a baseball bat. It's very strong up front. This one's got the swing out brackets. This one's recommended to put on a dually. Come around here on the side, you can see the side awning, speakers. If you want to take a look in there, you can see the SureFlow. Everything's up out of the weather. This has the bigger tanks on it, the larger propane tanks. Frameless windows. This is a 2-slide unit. You got one on the other side and one on the back. You want to come on inside here. You got your couch across the back. This has the nice shades like they do in a motorhome. Come around the front here. This one has the camera for the back. You got some counter space here with covers. Comes with a microwave. When you look at Lancer, one thing to notice, they don't staple everything together. Everything's put on a machine there. It's very well put together. There's a fan above your head up here, skylight. You're coming up in the front up here. You got another skylight up front. You got storage on both sides of the bed. LED lights. Your thermostat's right there on the wall. Nice big shower in there. And your air conditioner's right here above your head. This one comes with, this makes into a bed here. They got storage that comes out below. This has a little bunk up above. You can put a little one on or put storage up there. Very clean. Solar comes on this one too. Prep for generator. And if you have any other questions, give me a call on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.